Hello and welcome to Starting Points, where one thing leads to another. This is a short version, and to try to keep it short, I'm merely going to show you the titles that I spoke about in the long version. Walter Edmonds, one of my favorite writers, and this is a book called They Had a Horse. They don't start off with a horse, and the book is about getting a horse. The Erie Canal, they live close to the Erie Canal, so that book reminded me of this. Peter Spear's drawings reminded me of teams of horses that pulled cargo vessels or barges on the canal, as well as mules and other jobs that they did. The Erie Canal reminded me of this book. It's a novel on a stop along the Erie Canal, and it's called Chad Hannah by Walter D. Edmonds. And I think you'd enjoy both of those two books by him. This is a book of modern poems. It's called A Green Place. It's compiled by William J. Smith, who was a poet, a novelist, a professor, a writer of essays, plays, very prolific career. And these poems in this collection all deal with the green world. And there's a poem in here about hay for horses that I wanted to share with people so they would know about it. Farm eyewitness books, a wonderful presentation I find with all different aspects of farming, loads of details and information. Just a lovely book. This is a collection of poems. A lot of things remind me of poems, so well, that happens. And these poems, though, are selected by Michael McPorgo and Jane Fever. And they're poems about the countryside. And there was one poem in here about a man on a tractor. There's information in here about tractors, and I talked about some of the things about the wind-powered grist mill, some amazing technology 240 years ago. And those things, the tractor and all, reminded me of machine in the garden. It's about the technology and the pastoral idea in America. Leo Marx writes essays about various authors and writers and their reactions to the changes that are happening, or how the train became a part of the culture. And the last book I shared was called Dune Boy. And in Dune Boy, by Edwin Way Teale, T-E-A-L-E, he's written 30 little autobiographical sketches, 5 or so pages each. One of them was about the strawberry train, that they took their daily strawberry harvest to in a horse-drawn wagon to the train station, and then the train took the strawberries to Chicago. The story takes place in Indiana, near Lake Michigan. And how much the freedom that he had to explore helped shape his own career choice as to what he wanted to know about, and then write about and share with others. Well, thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.